How to see who shared your post on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who shared your post on your Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to see who shared your post on Facebook, you don't have to use the Facebook app. Instead, you have to use Facebook on a web browser. So open up a web browser and now search for www.facebook.com. You have to search for this exact website. Now once you're on Facebook, make sure you have signed in. If you aren't signed in, sign in. So after you sign in, you have to turn on desktop mode. So if you are on Chrome, tap on these three lines in the top right corner, these three dots, and then here tap on desktop site and wait for the desktop site to load. So once the desktop site is loaded, zoom in and in the right side corner tap on these three lines and slide to the left, and here you will see your profile. Tap on it. Now once you are on profile, go to the post that you want to see who shared. So I want to see this post, who shared this post. Here it shows there is one share. So to see this share, tap on it and now go to the left, and here says one share. So again tap on this one share, and here it will show who shared this post. So here it shows my name because I shared this post by myself, but here you will see other people who shared your post. So this is how you can see who shared your post on Facebook. Thanks for watching.